Hello, my brothers and sisters. I greet everybody. How na day? Na good morning, na good afternoon, na good evening. From Otoshebo Mama. My brothers and sisters, now this video where I see for where they send come for me for now don't still see am this small pikin with them where they beat where they say na witch. Now why for that our country or first of all, may I talk about the mother. The mother of this child, I beg, me want beg you. As they talk and they say you not get documents, God may you get that document one way or another. You must get them. Since you don't do this abroad, you go come by God grace. For me, say this boy na witch. I not believe I not too much believe My sister, first of all, if you get money, I first talk for one audio before I say. If you there abroad, you get opportunity to carry your pikin come near body, carry and come because pikin wey another person they train for person. You get as e be. E no fit be like the one where you train by yourself. Before they carry this boy, come carry for put for camera, they beat like this. They beat am. The thing, oh God. They beat am. Before they come carry and put for camera, they beat like this. Wetin dem don fair do am? Who know? Dem naked down, the video and they beat am. Me, I want talk one thing. If that pikin na their own, they go do am like that. The answer is no. They not do am like that. So pikin where they live for person, the two they suffer them. Mona believe. The pikin where you go live for us, you say na your sister na you dey with. My sister where dey here beg. If you get opportunity, carry your pikin come. Not they spend your money for clothes anyhow. Use am take carry your pikin near body. Not they spend your money for man. Use am take carry your pikin near body. May you know in and out of that pikin. Not to say dey with your sister, not they do am. Your sister they train am when I lie. Now only if you dey for line, if you dey for phone call, now you go dey hear sweetie for that after you don't drop. Trust me, that pikin na they reach, na go class, na be the last person where they go class. They not let her go school early. Everybody don't enter class before you go. Now what did they happen? Because you know they there. Maybe papa not still there. Maybe papa they another country, or he still there abroad, or he there outside of outside TikTok. Maybe the pikin go there Benin, papa go there Lagos. You know they see am. Pikin when they give person they train, and the result na be all this one. Okay, as me we just talk say okay that pikin na really witch. May we talk and say na witch. If suppose make them do it like that, see how they humiliate the boy, put am for live video, send am out, make people see. Tomorrow now that pikin come he go as they grow come and he go come get problem. He go come get more problem. Because we don't know what they do for that house. All see and don't know well. Ogwoma di ama no yo manjo Emma o amiege yazi yene gboma Emma. Oma no jo gwoma diane you don't stay for another person will not be your parents. You will know the difference to stay with your parents than to stay with other person. The way they treat you, not be the same way they treat their own blood where they born. Now the truth. Not be the same way. Their own pikin go sit down. The one way will not be their own. Now they go carry the send message. Now you go cook for us. Now you go fetch water come. Now you then go send message. Their own way they born go sit down. They know they send now. Even though they send the one way they born, so the one way they born go tell that will not be blood brother or sister. Go say may that one get or may go, and he go. He not get voice. He more than not they there. The mother not there. See as they beat am, they say na witch may confess. Person where the video now people where they the back, we don't know what they hold for hand. How this small pikin not go confess? After beating where they don't beat am, before they naked down, come they beat am in front of camera. Now no say that pikin he don't receive serious beating. Serious one. We gonna talk about say depressed. Children they see they depressed. children they still dey depressed, not be only adults. Something dey wey go happen to children, e go shock them. E go shock them. Na only Nigerian na me I dey hear say this one dey confess. Me I never the same way since I come this abroad. Never hear say somebody dey confess o. Say oyibo dem dey confess. Na so they just naked down for there. E dey confess. Na only our own. We know dey hear say this e get depression. Depression still dey exist. No be everything I be wish. Before that pikin, before dem carry am come say make e come confess, that pikin go don receive serious beating. Wetin e go do? E go confess by force. Wetin e no do? E go dey talk am. Na my opinion. I no say wish not dey. I no say e dey. But sometimes make we still dey think about something. Make we still dey think about something. Sometimes you go dey dream. Your mama go dey beat you for dream. Your mama go dey pursue you. Whereas no be your mama, e no get hand, e no get leg. Who dey do and just dey under? E dey happen. So before we dey talk about say this person na wish, this person na this one, may we first the reason before we dey talk how. Because this small pikin e really pay me. As I see am, the thing pay me. All my mind they boil me because I be mother. If na really witch, they not supposed to do am like that. Because if na their own, they not go do am like that. Me, I so much believe say this small pikin no be witch. Na wetin e see, na make am dey talk. Na wetin e see, na make am dey talk. Papa not dey there, mother not dey there. Who you want tell? They even talk and say if you not talk, if you not bring the document, may go release and say they want kill her. Person when they put cutlass for your head or put gun for your head, you not go talk wetin you not supposed to talk. You go talk wetin you not supposed to talk now. Now don't see the video. Many people don't see am, but me I know because I no feel put am for.
Upon me, go they follow me anywhere I go. Maybe that what they talk. Wait
May I replay the video again? May I replay again?
Oil for your body. Yes. So that wait. Oh yeah, talk. If pour black oil for my body, that they do sacrifice about that man. Couple black oil, I no go never no book. If they give money, I no go no money. I no go no money. If my zago they call me fuel, all the old cost, other cost, go they lay upon me, go they follow me anywhere I go. No be that what they talk. So wait and wait, you don't spoil for it.
The man where the video and say because the small pikin they talk wetin be like say na wetin happen. Now the small boy they talk say they pour oil for a body, lay cost for am because all these things he said they lay cost for am, you no go no money, the cost go they follow am. The man where the video and say no be that one we they talk about so. One on the listing. I will still replay am.
Oil for your body? Yes. So that wait. Oh yeah, talk. If pour black oil for my body, that they do sacrifice about that man. Couple black oil, I no go never no book. If they give money, I no go no money. I no go no money. If my zago they call me fuel, all the old cost, other cost, go they lay upon me, go they follow me anywhere I go. Maybe that what they talk. So wait and wait, you don't spoil for inside this family.
Because they say it not be that one we they talk about so waiting and waiting you don't spoil for this house. Because who know what that man where the video, I don't know what they hand. Maybe class they hand. Because me, that our country now know as it be. Even though say you thief small thing, they go carry something. They class say they want to cut your hand. If you not talk, what you not even know about said you go they talk on. Someone are just the listing they go.
They try to keep my ear. To keep my ear. What's happening to your sister? You know cousin? My sister. When she never married. Me, I don't know about that one. Nanny my ear they see me I try to keep with my brother. What's your brother with that? Do you maybe aluminium? Now, okay, why you they confess now? What happened? Why this not today they confess? What happened? Because I not go to meeting again. Don't tell I not go again. What do you make you not go to meeting? Before you confess, there must be a reason. It must be maybe what do you make you confess to them now? Why you they confess to them? Because I know it's the The sham. Which sham? The sham made they put for the pot. I not eat her. I make it confess. I not eat her. They go say they don't cancel my name for the book of the meat.
Una no dey see her anyway. Person wey don wash her. Una go see her the boy take do her wey he come talk say because I no eat the sham wey dey for inside pot. Una see as he take do her because person wey dem wan beat. If una watch her because I no fit put am. If una watch her now see say dem be wan beat her because person wey dey video na something dey in hand. Something dey in hand. How you know how the small boy no go afraid, he no go fear dey talk wetin he no suppose to dey talk.
Which book? Which one big book? Who put your name for there? Na that woman. Na make you dey confess. Yes. Na that thing na you make you dey confess. You see me I go the house na I go confess.
I don't feel play and finish because so big person like that, this thing get as e be no because that our I don't know as I take talk am. This small pikin, the mama, I just got to beg you, my sister, anywhere where you dey, if you see this my audio, I beg, one way or another, try make you carry that pikin come. Carry am come because even the money wey you dey send dey go as make dem take care of the pikin. You think say dem dey use it, they really dey use am for am? Dem no dey use am. Na the how dem take am take dey do. Carry your pikin come here. Find one way or another take make sure say you carry am come because pikin wey dem dey live for say na your brother or na your sister. Forget dem no dey treat am, dem dey take dey treat their own life. Na the truth. Dem no dey treat am like that. You just bad now. This pikin they do everything for that house, even to eat safe. If you go let her talk say no go do something, if you not do, you not go eat for that house. Your mama not there. Maybe you go job bad. Say this pikin, you know even they sleep bed na grant ordinary floor. You go put cloth. You go sleep for there. They will they treat her like say you know pikin where mama not there around. Who you want go tell? Maybe the day where your friend go say you want reach there. They go just wear a cloth where go they go maintain and where may your friend go tell you say that they treat am well. I beg my brothers and sisters, una get pikin for us. Mona no worry, mona try. Mona not throw away money say if you not come buy marker cloth today, if you not come do this one today, carry your pikin come first. And that one might be your life. May not let them go kill her for your eye. Because pikin where you born 10 years ago, you know use that take compare to the pikin where you just born now. Not be the same thing. Because the age of that one don't they go. This one now one start your age. If you get opportunity, you get one, you get two, you get three. Try now small. If now one fair pick before you know it, the two. Now the first time they had. The second one you don't know the paper when they want ask you, you carry everything go give them. Because this pikin so. If na their own blood, they even see and say they confess self, they no go treat am like this. They no go treat am like this. Nobody know wetin this small boy dey pass through. Nobody know wetin this small boy dey pass through. Your mama not dey there, your papa not dey there, especially when you give am to your brother or your sister. Not be even your own mama dey train am, because if na your own mama dey train am, e still dey different. The one where you go give, maybe na your sister, your husband, the way we go dey maltreat that pikin. If you go give your brother, your wife, the way we go dey maltreat that pikin. My brothers and sisters, na my opinion, for me, this small pikin, e dey pass through many things, no be witch. E dey pass through many things. Omonere di jere kenoje, ama oja no riyo e. Pikin wey mama and papa not dead, where e dey. Una know wetin dey pass through. Na only person wey don pass through na go fit tell una. Not be only adult they get the depression. Small children when they treat bad like this, they still they get depression. It's still there, yes. It's still there. So my brothers and sisters, this is my view. Na my side, na my own view be this one, na my own opinion, na my own as I take see am. Everybody get their own way when they take they see something, but for my own way where I take see this thing. Omone gwere dije wa oja oi oja ene nu no ya ta we una ginye enyejo emo nu no ya ta emo nu no get my way go take talk am owe gwama de ma no vio ma jo e ma o e mi ege jazi ye ne gba ma ero o for where what they no have they no have ye ne gbo o ga vie yen do mo if they sleep they wake am say may go buy something come for nearby. If you want to go school, say you school where you want to go. First go fetch water for house before you go. So my brothers and sisters, it's just the truth of the matter. Some people they sabi treat picky where they're not born. They sabi treat them bad, eh? They know they treat them as they say they treat their own. They know they do one. If you now don't watch this video, you will see the time where that picky, what that man they ask the picky they talk say they can't put all year, they can't lay cost for now. Because not be waiting, even like I said, I don't know as I take talking. He said not be that one with they ask you so. How the small pikin no go talk another thing where they not ask am. Where see say they carry class, they carry everything. They not show themselves for you see where the man for the thoughts, where for all the say how you what you do to this family. Where the pikin can't raise the hand up because they want beat am for them. How the pikin not talk? If he not talk now, they will kill am now. Mama not dead there. Who want save am? He go talk what he not supposed to talk now. It don't dey happen for many it dey happen. It dey happen. Person wey see say life dey risk. He go submit. Talk wetin not supposed to talk. So my brothers and sisters, na just small thing because I see the video, the thing dey pain me. I say oh, omo nemera meje, oja ewu, pikin wey no get mama get papa. It too dey suffer because you get be like say you no get, they no dey there. Anything wey you see go dey bear am for there. So my brothers and sisters, but if you not get opportunity, you know say your child dey for house. Try. No listen say that they treat am well. Nobody they treat am well. Or what Omar Coco get admitted they made this parable say that means nobody go fit treat your pikin as you take treat am. Nobody. You not there for this world. Don't let anybody tell you say that they treat am well. I reached there that day. If you see how they tell they do and a lie on a fake. You know how many times they know they give am food. If you call, you go say, mommy, I just eat chicken and rice now. Whereas chicken and rice, you not see am ye. You not see am. They go use I say if you not talk and well, that's what they do am. We all know that. We all know am. But if they want ask money, your child, your job believe say your child not even they go school safe. They drive am for school. They'll use the money till they pay their own children. Your son go day house. If your mama call, if you not let her talk, you go say you go school. You go say yes, I just come back now. No man, no time. If you talk and they beat her after you don't drop the phone. Not the truth, eh? If you get the opportunity, please do am before it's too late. Make them not go kill your pikin for them. Make them not go do what you not supposed to do. So my brothers and sisters, from Untouchable Mama, remain blessed. One love. Bye bye.